Hey everyone, welcome back. To transfer money using the Westpac mobile app, log in and open the payments or transfer sections. Once you're done doing that, choose the account you want to send the money from. Then select an existing pay or add a new one within their bank details. Next, enter the amount, review the details, and confirm the transfer. You will receive a confirmation once the transfer is successful. If the transfer is not going through, check your internet. Sometimes the transfer does not go through because you are using a unstable internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, but don't switch internets while you're doing the transactions. Do it beforehand only. Then try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data to see which one works better and to rule out network issues. Then, if that is not possible, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Next, check or try again. Your transfer will go through, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.